It's one of those wet, soggy days, end of December, but just out for a run with my new rucksack, giving it a bit of a test run. Going to try and do about 35k today, but there's a lot of mud out here and it's very slippery, so it could be quite tiring. We'll see how we get on. Feet are slightly wet. I think the rest of me is wet now. Feel as I'm running through a river. Well, it's going to be mostly fields, woodland, countryside, and let's see how I get on. It's almost snowing, almost, so but it doesn't feel too cold. Actually very nice, there's no wind. So that was the Jubilee Stone. I think that's Flaxport's Jubilee Stone, I'm not too sure. And heading now down to Barrow Gurney, which I haven't run through before, so I'll have to get the map out shortly. What a surprise! There's more mud. Okay. Yeah. This is probably one of the last runs of the year for me. I started training a bit more seriously back in February. Not sure how far I've run so far this year. I'll put it just about there. I only did 2 races, a 10k and a 32k trail race. I'll pick up the training a bit and aim to do a few more races next year. So it's been an enjoyable year, and looking forward to doing a lot more running and races in 2021. I don't know how far I've done yet. I'll need to check when I get back, but almost time. So it's been a fantastic run. A little wet, a little muddy, but fun.